I just want to take the bugs out and go for pizza. E-man wants to just build the bus.
No, me, I'm all about work.
It's almost, I mean, it's almost done. What's with the gold, emblem?
You gotta have some bling.
Bling bling.
Bling bling.
Here,
Free VW stuff. For me?
Is that a new piston kit?
Yeah. Is there 3 of them? Feeling like they're getting a little damp.
Oh, I better get those inside.
Yeah. 92.
We're gonna just go ahead and bring everything out, put on the trailer, and we'll bring you all back. Well, here's some good news. Seats are in it, and I'm happy to see the sign is still in it. I like that. That's gonna have to stay. What do you think?
Oh, absolutely. That's a guarantee. And the bush.
I know. Check that out. Boy, that tranny seemed nice and tight, huh? You see the key fob with the garage door opener? In case I get her running, I want to bring it back to where it came from. I like the original keys though, that's sweet. Just want the Batman case.
We're getting there.
I want
we'll get there.
Oh! That's gonna leave a mark. It's got the gold, what is that, gold member? It's got the gold, now it's coming to, you got the gold accents, so that's why they went with the gold. Holy distributors. Here, I'll get the heavy stuff. One crispy door panel.
Mm.
Another alternator. Oh. What happened?
No.
What happened there?
Oh no. Big reveal.
What could it be?
Nobody knows. Oh.
Just put the camera right there where you're trying to. Big reveal.
Drum roll, please.
You ready?
Damn. You got to keep the gold badge now.
Yeah, these are original to the bus for sure. Woo! Now even I think he even treated them. So, thanks, Dan, for the wheels, man. I really appreciate it.
Beautiful.
And the lugs and the caps. What's this? What's this?
Ooh.
Oh, here's oh, sweet. This is Ruben's bumper, I think. Excellent pack job, thank you, Dan. So we got Ruben's bumper.
Yep.
Let's go ahead and just install that in the bumper mounts if you could.
Come
Thanks. He just wired me a 220 outlet. I don't like the sound of that. I have no idea what's in this box. You ready for this one? Did you hear this thing?
Let's hear it.
What do you think is in there?
I don't know, I'm about to find out. It's a hardware.
Oh, it's oh sweet. It's brand new running boards. So E-man's got more good news for me. What is it? Oh, the jack point?
Yeah, no, just work your way towards the front of the chassis here.
The outrigger?
Oh, it's just a different kind of patch job over here. Used aluminum.
Oh, they got
Flathead screws.
I see a screw right here on the wow, that's the main. Wow, that's actually, so they just, looks like they just crushed it when they lifted it with something. Oh, I wonder if it was like on, oh, the tube. See, the tube's crushed too. Huh, I wonder if they picked it up with a
Well, this looks like stovepipe.
oh, that's a gutter.
Yep. Oh, yeah, that's a gutter. That's a gutter there. That's that decorative gutter.
It's got nice patina on it though. Look at that coloring. That's sweet. So they probably picked it up with a forklift.
Is it a right to be under here?
I just want to go eat pizza
Let's go.
after seeing this.
Just want to show you this one side and we'll go.
I appreciate it. Oh, it's got the gold rims. It's got the Smokey and the Bandit package on it. I didn't realize that.
Just one more shot.
Oh, that's repairable. This needs a little. Oh, I see. Yeah, they just screwed on whatever that is.
Just to cover it up.
Oh yeah.
Get through inspection.
Good news, guys. There is no inspection in Connecticut.
Good news.
Think safety. Did you see that? Think safe. Whoever worked on this installed that sticker. Think safety. Safety first. Well, that's disappointing about the chassis, but still like the bus. So let's see what we got here in the big old case. Don't know. I'll tell you what, this is going on Reuben. But that might be for the bus.
Oh, look at the puller.
Nice.
Flywheel puller.
It's good to have.
Another tool I don't have.
I got all the tools here. Let's see what this one's got. Oh, it's getting better. We got a mirror. We got some mirrors. Those didn't survive. That one, that didn't survive. That's unfortunate. My pick one.
Yeah, there's a governor on there. That's worth something.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't think that was off the bus. Oh, check this out. Now we're getting somewhere. This is the kind of stuff I like to find.
Yeah. We get a close-up of that.
Yeah. I've actually been to the Coors factory in Colorado, had my 2 beers, and they give you 2 beers, and I was, you know, well beyond. oh, one and done over here. So yeah, we're just out here having a good time. We're getting ready to take the bugs out for pizza, take a quick rip. Got some nice carbs, Dizzies. Oh yeah, those did get wet, huh? Must have rained maybe. Is that, are they new?
Yeah, brand new. 28. Yeah, it said 2018.
Wow. I wonder what are they stock for? Or? I'll have to ask Dan. Dan, what size are these? Oh, there you
Standard.
go. Standard. 87s, all right. Oh, 1641. Nice slip-ins. 87s.
We gotta bring this in.
Yeah, bring those in. See what we got here. Oh, it's another new set. Holy shnikes, Dan. Did you tell me about these? Or did I just forget? Oh, these are 92s. 2180. Do it up. Let's go. Bring that block over. 20, now wait a minute. 2180. My dream car is an oval ragtop on center lines with a 2180. And there it is. We got the oval.
Build it.
We got the oval rags. We just needed a motor and center lines. Try to find center lines these days. Forget about it. More free stuff. Oh, look at that shift knob. I'm gonna put these in Jen's stocking. She just loves the 70s stuff. Look at that nice shift. Oh, 2 shift, what? Dubworks would be all over me right now about this. Got 2 sweet shift knobs. Volkswagen emblems. Stereos. Couple of stereos. It's a sweet shift knob though, huh? Free stuff. Keeps on coming. Thank you, Dan. There's the key to my Rabbit. Oh, the window works nice. You need a little air in there? I feel very sorry for E-man right now. Oh, look. Look, it's E-man in a mosquito net.
Comment down below if you want to see me more.
Oh, it's twisted.
You want me to get back to my channel? Comment down below.
You're brave being in there. How does it smell?
It definitely is a vintage. Oh.
Oscar the Grouch, task completed.
Oh.
You in that door. Doors close nice though.
Yeah,
That they do.
that I do like.
So the clutch grabs right off the floor.
All right.
I think he's got it figured out.
Oh my God. Oh, this thing is fun. GoPro off.
I was gonna send it over the railroad track.
Good thing for jumper packs. All right, that was the first impression. Let's see. This thing is fun. goodness.
We got Misty chilling.
I better not stop on the bridge. On the tracks.
How is it?
I'm right on the tracks.
How is it?
Oh, this one.
All right, send it.
Dad, I gotta get you up here. You gotta drive this.
Mustang, you got nothing on that one, buddy.
Is that actual speed on that speedometer?
Do a third gear roll on, all right? Ready? Ready? Ready?
Beautiful night.
That's all, folks.